Ang topic natin today is about a loan offer or platform. Medyo moody siya. But don't worry guys, it's legit, it's promising. Pwede ka makahiram ng malaking amount and payable in installments. And the interest is somewhere between 1% and 7%. Wow. O, diba, bonga pag na-approve ka. So this is just gonna be like an informal vlog kasi it's a follow-up, to be honest, of a previous vlog na ginawa ko, and marami po yung humihingi ng update. If you want to learn more about this loan na pwede nyong applyan through Palawan Pay, and it's actually a tie-up with Skyro, so diba legit, then keep watching. Hello everyone, welcome back to another vlog, and well, it is a follow-up as mentioned kanina, and before we continue, this video is not sponsored, it's based on my personal experience. So gusto kong humingi ng paumanhin sa mga naghingi ng update kasi dapat April pa ginawan ko na to ng follow-up pero hindi ko nagawan. So to give you a little bit of a background, nag-apply ako kay Skyro, cash loan, through Palawan Pay. And I will show you why, anong silbi ng tie-up or partnership na to, diba? It doesn't make sense kasi may Skyro app naman. Pag-usapan natin yan mamaya. So, if you want to see that old vlog, you can go here. Pero sa vlog na yun, guys, reject po ako. Sabi doon, try again after 30 days. Or most of you guys were expecting na gawan ko siya ng follow-up after 1 month, April 19. Pero nag-apply ako ulit at reject na naman. So this is a very sad and disappointing story. Pero guys, promising siya. And if you haven't tried it yet, hindi naman sinasabi ko na i-try nyo, taka nyo, kasi yung pag-uutang dapat yung pinag-iisipan. So this video is not sponsored by Palawan Pay or Skyro. I wish nga sponsored kasi, beke naman, ma-approve tayo. This is a follow-up para sa mga nagtatanong. So na-reject ako. So ano pang meron dito sa loan app na to, and what can you expect if ma-approve? And ano ba yung, bakit kailangan pang mag-tie up si Skyro at si Palawan? Yung Palawan Pay or si Skyro, both po ay nada-download po sa Google Play and sa iOS. Sa mga nagtatanong dyan. Okay, so iOS, Google Play, pwede siyang i-download. Si Skyro, meron pong cash loan offer. Pero hindi mo yan kaagad-agad makikita kung kayo'y first time kay Skyro. If you just downloaded the app, yung makikita nyo ito. Ipapag-product loan niya kayo. And if you want to see that old vlog about how ko siya ginamit, you can go to the old video. Ito po. Pero kung first time mo, don't expect to see a cash loan. Pag dinownload nyo si Palawan Pay, makikita nyo na sa dashboard nyo mismo, merong Palawan Loans. Kung i-click nyo yan, i-direct ka niya sa Skyro. Makikita mo na kaagad na si Skyro, Palawan Pay, puhunan para sa next mong big move. Walang harang. Isang idea. Harang is your eligibility or yung assessment ni system. So, it's not for everybody, unfortunately. But, kung hindi ka pa nakapag-try, wala namang mawawala if you try, no? But just remember that this is utang and dapat po siyang pinag-iisipan. Anyway, up to 250,000 yung pwede mong hiramin. It says exclusive sa kay cash loan offer for Palawan Pay users kasi kapag dumaan ka ng Palawan, pag download mo or pag update mo ng Skyro mo, pag napunta ka na sa Skyro, pagkatapos mo dumaan ng Palawan, andun na, i-continue mo yung pag-cash loan. Kasi kung Skyro lang talaga, baka hindi mo makita. Iba rin yung offer kasi ni Skyro eh. Anyways, dadaan ka ng Palawan and pakita niya sa iyo, may pa-sneak peek siya na kung anong meron pa sa loan na to. May pa-calculator siya. For example, you get minimum is 5,000, I guess, and the maximum is 250, and there are months like periods of 6, 9, and 12. And this is technically, or yung basic eligibility niya naman is dapat mag-download ka ng Palawan Pay kasi doon niya ipapadala yung proceeds pag na-approve ka, and you must be 18 to 70 years old. So at least ito, pwede siyang, hindi siya restricted sa 21 lang, but you have to be at least 18. Dapat you have a smartphone and a Philippine mobile number. Yung mga basic documents na required niya is just one valid ID. And yung mga IDs na tinatanggap ng platform na to, Philippine Passport, SSS, UMID, PhilSys, Driver's License, Professional ID, or PRC, and Postal ID. Normally, automatic siya. Given that pasado ka. Automatic ka, and in some cases, may tumatawag. Pagkatapos ng tawag ka, agad mo daw siya matatanggap. O may iba naman, hindi na kailangan tumawag, approve agad, you'll just get a text confirmation, and yun na yun. And meron po siyang admin fee, which is 16.6%. Nakalagay po dito. Pero hindi po siya ibabawa sa loan proceeds mo. Meaning, buo mo pong matatanggap yung loan. Yun, kasi sabi niya, we will add the fees on top of the approved loan amount instead of subtracting. Yung interest rate niya is between 1.5 to 7% per month. Pero, depende pa yan sa final assessment. Kasi, malay mo, sa calculator, 1% lang po yung pala yung assessment sa'yo. Pagkatapos yung final offer mo pala is nasa 7%. Pero, depende yan. But, just know that it's somewhere between 1 and 7 plus the 16% na additional fee. Kaya may iba sa inyo nagsasabi medyo mahal siya. Yung special ito is kapag na-approve ka, sa Palawan Pay mo matatanggap yung pera. And once it's in your Palawan Pay account, you can do whatever after. You can send it wherever. Anyway, so that's it. The first time na nag-apply ako was March and hindi ako na-approve, and I was advised by the system to try again after 30 days. April 19 was the specified date. Fortunately, nag-try ako but na-reject naman ako, guys. Now, before I continue, for your reference, I have a credit score of fair, which means pag nasa fair ka, it's like you're at the mercy of the lending company kung pauutangin ka o hindi based sa kanila further parameters. Full transparency ngayon kasi guys, di ba meron akong home credit, and I was told sa isa kong video about Skyro, na sabi nila kapag may home credit ka, minsan mahirap daw ma-approve. And kapag hindi ka regularly employed, medyo choosy din si Skyro, kaya yun. So, nung nag-product loan ako, hindi ako na-approve. Maybe because I also have existing loans. Yung pinaka-major loans ko ngayon is my home loan and my car loans. Kaya yun, nakikita po yan ng system ni Skyro. Better left next time. Sabi sa akin, try again after 60 days. But for those of you who are interested, paano nga ba mag-apply? So, syempre, as mentioned kanina, you just need to download the Palawan Pay na app. And better download the Skyro app na agad. But, wag muna kayo pumunta ng Skyro, guys. Mauna kayo dun sa Palawan Pay. Kita niyo yan? Meron po siyang loans. Yun yung i-click nyo. And then click to apply now, and then may calculator siya just to give you an idea kung magkano magiging monthly mo. But again, estimate lang yan. It's still subject to final assessment and my final offer. Kaya nga may tumatawag, guys. So, for example, sa 5,000, if you want to pay it in 6 months, this at the rate of 1.5% per month, yung monthly mo is 1,024. Then apply for this loan if you want to go through it. And kahit na sabihin mong 250,000 yung applyan mo, depende pa rin kay system kung magkano magiging final offer niya, which will depend on your credit history, not just with Skyro, but with your performance sa ibang mga lending institution, especially those na nagsasubmit sa CIC. If you click apply for this loan, hingi po siya ng basic information like your name, your mobile number, which is gonna be there automatically kasi yung meron kang Palawan Pay na account, magve-verify siya, kaya pagpapadala po siya ng OTP. You can proceed with providing the other information. Then yung address mo, kailangan mo ilagay. And kung permanent address mo yan, you know what to tick. And then just click next. Technically, kung approve ka, receive ka agad. Or within 24 hours, one valid ID lang. Na-mention na natin yan, but for, for your benefit, andito siya ulit. Anyway, so hingi po siya ng source of income info like that, reference contact, and then another reference contact, dalawa po. Other questions, kailangan mo yung i-fill in. Medyo madugo siya, guys, just to be straightforward. And then, again, hingi niya yung valid identity document. Just in case, i-require ka niya na makipagkita ka sa isang Skyro agent. Just make sure it's gonna be the same ID na idadalhin. And then, ilalagay mo yung details ng ID na yan and just click next. Palawan Pay account kasi doon niya po ipapadala. Make sure hindi ka nagkamali sa number. And then just confirm. Now, eto, another step kasi nasabi ko nga matrabaho siya. But kung approve ka, it's legit. I think it's better than mga online loan. I think yung effort mo dito is worth it kaysa sa mga online loan platforms na approve agad. Pero yun naman, ang laki naman palang kaltas. Kung mabigyan ka niya yung magandang offer like interest that's 3% or less, then why not, diba? If kailangan. So, ipapa-install nyo sa yung Skyro, or if not, or nasa phone mo na si Skyro, pag-click mo ng install, dadalhin ka niya dun sa app itself, and then, syempre, magla-login ka, ka-appear yung application. Uulitin ko, so kung si Skyro lang yung dinownload mo, at doon ka na magdiretso kay Skyro, hindi po lalabas. You will encounter yung offer na product loan muna, hindi ganito. So, i-click mo yung continue application, humingi siya ng few more steps. So, sabi ko sa inyo, parang feeling mo paulit-ulit eh. Pero kung 1.5 lang yung interest mo at na-approve ka, then it's worth it, I guess, if kailangan. Skyro na naman, yung hihingi ng photo ng ID mo, give access to some data on your device, and sign the loan agreement online. I took a photo of my ID. Application is under review na daw, and unfortunately, in 30 minutes, nalaman ko, reject na naman ako. And I can try again after June 8. Last month ko pa to tinry. Pero parang ayaw kong i-vlog. Kaso ang dami pong humihingi ng update kaya ito. If you have already seen the previous vlog, I'm sorry if this looks redundant, pero I hope it's still helpful anyway. So kung hindi naman kayo approve kay Skyro, meron naman po tayong ibang mga options. And yung mga options na yan is andito po sa Legit Loan Apps playlist. You can try Belize, you can try One Hand, you can try C-Bank Credit or S-Loan. Ang dami pong other legit na mga platforms na pwede nyong subukan. You can also try Home Credit, but then again, basta legit yung loan app, expect po kayo na medyo madugo at marami yung requirements kasi they just want to make sure that they're, syempre, it's their business. Kailangan din nilang ma-make sure na mababayaran sila ng borrower. And tayo rin naman as borrower, if responsible tayo, then this will open doors or opportunities for financing products in case kailangan natin in the future. Meron lang ako nakitang comment dito na gusto ko lang i-share sa inyo. Sabi kasi niya, nung na-approve siya, walang ka-hassle guys. So sabi ko, sana all. Ang approval, pagtawag sa akin, send nila agad sa Palawan Pay. O diba, sana all. So yun lang for today's video. I will see you on my next vlog. Bye-bye!